सो यू आर द ऑफिस इन चार्ज ऑफ द ओवरसीइंग रिफ्यूजी रिलेटेड इशू. आप मल्टीलेटरल ह्यूमैनिटेरियन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में आप रिफ्यूजी रिलेटेड इशू देखते हो. तो यहाँ पे एक एथनिसिटी बेस्ड सिविल वॉर है इस रीजन में. एज ए रिजल्ट पीपल डिस्प्लेस हो रहे हैं. तो इकोनॉमिकली बेटर ऑफ कंट्रीज़ को बोला गया है कि आप अकोमोडेट करो जो भी माइग्रेंट्स आ रहे हैं उनको फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करो, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को भी. तो वायलेशन अगर वायलेंस देखे रीजन में बढ़ गया है क्योंकि लोग ज़्यादा आ रहे हैं, फ्लक्स हो रहा है लोगों का क्योंकि रिफ्यूजी ज़्यादा आ रहे हैं, तो वायलेंस बढ़ गया है. एंड कंट्री क्या करिए अपने बॉर्डर सील कर रही हैं. सो रिफ्यूजी क्या वनरेबल सिचुएशन में है. तो आपको भेजा गया है कि आप ह्यूमैनिटेरियन सेटलमेंट पे आओ विद ऑफ द रिफ्यूजी नेबर कंट्रीज़ के साथ. एंड जो एक पावरफुल इकोनॉमिक ब्लॉक है, हाउएवर वो रिफ्यूज़ कर देते हैं टू अकोमोडेट द फॉलोइंग ग्राउंड्स. एक रीज़न है कि ड्रेनेज ऑफ द रिसोर्सेज इन द फेस ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूट इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन. सेकेंड, डोमेस्टिक प्रेशर, पॉलिटिकल रिपरकशंस होंगे, काफ़ी लोग नहीं चाहते रिफ्यूजी आए. थर्ड, रिहैबिलिटेशन, इससे क्या होगा और ज़्यादा इन्फ्लक्स होगा और इससे परसिक्यूटर्स होंगे उनको भी फ्यूल करेगा. एंड परमानेंसी ऑफ द सेटलमेंट, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बेटर प्रॉस्पेक्ट है तो लोग यहाँ पे आके बस जाएंगे. तो आप काउंटर आर्ग्यूमेंट क्या दोगे टू कन्विंस द कंट्रीज फॉर इमीडिएट सोल्यूशन. सजेस्ट सम लॉन्ग टर्म मेजर एज वेल. लॉन्ग टर्म मेजर भी दो what should be followed to address the problem. So first of all, we'll have to understand the condition of the refugee. For example, सीरिया से कोई आता है अपने बोट से लेके, छोटी मोटी बोट से लेके कि हमें परसिक्यूशन से बचाएं. जैसे यहाँ पे ग्रीस ने मना कर दिया, तो देन दे आर गोइंग टू इटली. इटली ने अपने बॉर्डर क्लोज कर दिए. सो नाउ दे डोंट हैव एनी अपॉर्चुनिटी टू गो समवेयर एल्स. सो वेयर विल दे गो? So immediate, what is the requirement to provide safe place for all the refugees? As countries are not willing to take refugee on following ground, I'll try to give some counter arguments to influence their decision. Drain of resources in the face of subdued economic condition. So financial support will be provided from the humanitarian organization worldwide to this country so that the economic burden will be shared. So we can together with the European country explore the places where these refugees can be safely relocated. So powerful geopolitical bloc can be asked to come together to take the responsibility of rehabilitating these refugees. So give counter argument to all these four. So अगर economic burden देखें, so these refugee can act as an economic asset as they face persecution and the country have welcomed them with their open heart. They will be hard working, they will be work hard and will contribute to the economy as there is a problem of declining population in European country. So these refugee can be provided skill and can fill the gap and fulfill the labor requirement of this country. I'll say that just sitting idle will be detrimental. It may give rise to the extremist organization. So the powerful bloc should take steps to end this civil war that is happening in Syria and other countries. A temporary settlement can be established to provide refugees to these countries. So long-term solution क्या हो सकता है? That building the political asylum. That is that where all the powerful countries contribute to build that asylum. So all the countries can co-contribute. Charismatic leader can be deployed to promote the brotherhood to promote the feeling of brotherhood and empathy for the refugee. Videos and photos representing their real condition can be displayed on the media and channels to arouse conscience of the people of the developed country, to arouse their human conscience. Photos and pictures can be used. So for the time being, shelter home with basic amenities should be provided to these. For example, India has built 250 refugee camps in Bangladesh for the Rohingyas. So this should be seen as an opportunity rather than a challenge. It will fulfill the labor requirement of these developed countries. It will build their economic strength. So charismatic personality should be involved to promote brotherhood among the people. The above scenario represent the brunt of persecution the people are facing. So the above scenario depict the plight of millions. That is plight of millions who is suffering from the brunt of religious persecution, who are suffering from the brunt of religious persecution in their home country. So this scenario represents the plight of millions of people who face the brunt of religious persecution in their home country, and the dilemma faced by the neighboring country in the us versus them debate. So what you should do, appeal to their moral conscience. As the economically backward countries, they are in the position to provide helping hand to the needy. So with providing skill, they can convert these people into asset for their country, driving their economic growth. It will escalate the position of the country on the world stage, and will also increase its soft power. It escalate the stature of the country all over the world, and also will increase its soft power, and will have greater say on the international, as it will raise their international stature, and it will give them opportunity to raise their issues on international level. So influx of these people into the well of countries, they can use their surplus wealth to convert these people into asset. That will lead to the driving the growth of the nation. It will escalate the position of the country. It will escalate the stature of the country on global platforms. Escalate the stature of the country on global platform. And goodwill gardener. So goodwill gardener on the humanitarian ground can be leveraged. When they will have greater say in the international issue, they will have a greater say in the international issues. So when it is about human lives, when it deals with the human life, there is no negotiation. So when it deals with the lives of the human, you don't negotiate. A civil person don't negotiate. So in the case of human lives, it should not turn into a utilitarian argument. एक फायदा होगा तभी आप इनको लो. So you have to arouse the humanitarian concerns of the country. और आपको immediate timeline देना है, बिकॉज लोग रिफ्यूजी जो है गेट पे खड़े हैं. तो whatever the recommendation given by you should be quickly implementable. So in the case of subdued economic condition, so it is right that in the case of subdued economic condition, the claim on the economic resources is first of the citizen. So at the same time, additional resources will be made available to the developed countries from the humanitarian organizations. So either you can ask to bear the burden of this refugee, or give cost to other countries to bear the burden. So recognize that there is a refugee problem, and first claim of the resources, and in the case of subdued economic condition, is of the citizen. तो जो इकोनॉमिक आर्ग्यूमेंट है हैज़ टू बी, इनको काउंटर आर्ग्यूमेंट, इकोनॉमिकली काउंटर आर्ग्यूमेंट देना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अंदर कंट्री हु इज़ रेडी टू टेक द रिफ्यूजी बट कैन नॉट प्रोवाइड फाइनेंसेज. So country who is taking the refugee should be provided finances to accommodate this if you can't accept these refugees. So argument दे सकते, you are getting young, you are getting energetic led people. So you are getting YM labor. YM labor means young and energetic and motivated labor. So they are motivated to start new living in new land. So they are motivated to start new living on new land. Therefore, their willingness to contribute will be very high. So the willingness to contribute will be very high. Thus, you must use this human resource to turn into human capital to ensure the economic progress of the country, and which will also ensure the economic progress of these people. So the economic progress of the country will also ensure the economic progress of these people. And these are, you'll get young people, that are young, energetic and motivated people, and they will be motivated people to start a new life on the new land. So domestic political repercussion, you can say you should start consensus among all the party. Multi-party consensus can be built. Or another thing, that you should show the leadership quality in this stage, that strong leader, only strong leader can take strong decision. So you have two options, either bring other parties on board or show your strong leadership in the state of crisis, in the state of humanitarian crisis. On board lete ho, that will lead to the wastage of time, and other might not be agree. And this is a time to show true leadership in the face of humanitarian crisis, as true leader is not afraid of repercussions. True leader always concerned about right thing to do. Rehabilitation will encourage more influx. So we can see that we'll take note of each and refugee who is coming, and also focus should be on stopping the civil war. So more refugees will come. It cannot be the reason so that you will stop present refugee standing at the gate. So more refugees will come only if the war intensify. To stop the refugee, so you should stop the war that is happening. So permanency of settlement. Once they are integrated, there is no problem of permanency of settlement. If country do not want to settle them permanently, so country can make law and provide a time period on how long these people can stay in the country. So if country is not ready to give permanency of settlement, so they can give them refugee rights only and can provide some space to live, and to provide permanency or temporary settlement as the prerogative of the country. फिर आप जनरल आर्ग्यूमेंट देते थे, दिस इज केसेस ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटेरियन क्राइसिस, so it's the duty of those with the better resources to care of the person who are in the need on humanitarian ground. So by giving counter argument of all these cases, I have demonstrated the exemplary understanding of the issue. So exemplary, very good. Exemplary. Through giving counter argument all these points, I would have demonstrated exemplary understanding of the issue and my ability to convince the country of humanitarian problem through political, economic and social angle, which we might see get hampered because of the influx of the refugee.